In this video, we are going to learn how to turn off Advantage Plus Creative in Meta Ads Manager during creating a Meta ad campaign, right? So as you can see, I'm into my Ads Manager. I'm creating a new campaign. I have clicked on create. I will select any of the objectives as of now and I will simply click on continue. So while creating Meta ad campaign, we just jump into ad creative level. At the ad creative level, here is an option of setup creative. I will simply click on it. I will select image. Whatever the banner you just want to advertise, you just need to upload it. I have already uploaded, so I will simply select that particular banner and I will click on next. Again next. Here we can mention primary text and headline and call to action button that we have already discussed in our previous videos. I will click on next. Here comes the Advantage Plus Creative Enhancement. If you want to turn off the Advantage Plus Creative Enhancement, you just need to turn off all these Advantage Plus Creative Enhancement. So I will simply turn off all these that are recommended by Meta. Keep them turned on. I'm not going to use these Advantage Plus Creative, so I will simply turn them on all. I will simply click on. So here is how you can turn off Advantage Plus Creative Enhancements. Apart from that, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. You can simply visit our website and can explore our course and directly purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.